Hey guys, today we are going to see about the asset and CA relationships. So I'm going for the hardware asset. Let me open hardware asset under portfolio. Let me open this one. So let's open this asset tag 479. So here you can see the asset tag record. The asset records share common information with the configuration items and use this information in the context of tracking the financial cost, location, current status, who own it, associated contracts, and compliancy of installed software, just to name a few. So, if you verify this model category, model configuration item, asset tag, serial number, those are all populated, right? So let me open this configuration item, MacBook Pro 15. So I'm in the configuration item. You can verify this asset tag and the serial number with this asset, that hardware asset. Asset tag is same, right? Asset tag serial number in the hardware asset. If I go into this configuration item, here also the asset tag and the serial number is same, right? So the asset tag field is linked between the asset and the CA records. If you change any value in either here or here, the other record will get reflected. So on the asset field, we can select this. Let me open that one. This is the asset field. Let me, if I open this one, I can able to see this whole hardware asset table. So on the asset field, we can open that one, right? So we are in the display name of hardware asset. So if we examine the model and model category relationship, let me go to the form hardware asset table. So this is a hardware asset table. Model category we have, right? So let me open this one. Here we do have a model category. Here also we do have the model category. If I open here also, the same one only will be populating, right? Here also and also here. So the both the things are same only. Uh, Hardware asset. This is also same. So one and one related to that. If I open this hardware asset, if I open under the asset tag, if I open this hardware asset table inside the CAE, I can able to see this MacBook Pro, the CA whole CA name. So if I open this asset, I can come to the same hardware asset table only. The same one, same is both are all same only. So if I go to the model category, I can see the um, name and also the hardware, which one is the class. So we can verify the model category is a computer and the CA class is CMDB underscore CA underscore computer and ALM underscore hardware. So those classes there. This is CA class. This is asset class. So you can see with the relationship, right? In this example, if model uses a model category of a computer during the creation of an asset, it will also create a CA record in the computer table. The reverse is also true. If your CA is created first using the computer model category, then asset record will also be created in a hardware table. So now let me open this model field which have Apple MacBook Pro 15. So you can verify the model category as computer. So these are the relationship. So you can verify this kind of relationships between the asset class, CA class. So those kind of between the classes. So let's see further in the next video. It will be a little lengthy. So let's see in the next video. Thank you.